Now let's see this question. Find the integral of x square by x square plus 1 and plus x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 dx. So in order to solve it, let's try to put in place of x square as y, so that we can just split it. It is not substitution method. Instead of using x square, by writing by, it will be simple to visualize it. That's it. I'm not using any substitution method here. So if I just substitute y, the entire function is going to transform like this. Now I want to write it as if it is a sum of two functions. Okay. So for that reason, I'm writing it as a by y plus 1 and a by y plus 4. So I have to find out what can be a and what can be b. So just cross multiply this, which means a into y plus 4 and b into y plus 1, and you compare it with y. Okay. So what does it mean? A into y plus 4 plus b into y plus 1 equal to y. Now from that you can find out, you will get two equations, right, in a and b. One equation is a plus b equal to 1, and another equation is 4a plus b equal to 0, right. Now if you try to solve it, you are going to get a as minus 1 by 3 and b as 4 by 3. Therefore I can write this function as minus 1 by 3 into this and 4 by 3 into this. Instead of y, you can write it as x square. Okay. So say this minus 1 by 3 into x square plus 1 plus 4 by 3 into x square plus 3. Now when you apply integration for this, it is nothing but applying integration for these two independently. Now if I apply integration for this, it is going to be minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square, right. So we know that 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x, right. And for this one, 1 by x square plus a square form, it is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. It is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a, right, which means 1 by a into x square plus 2 square, right. Therefore in place of a there is 2. So what is the formula? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a, right. So 4 by 3, it is going to remain as it is, and for this one we are going to get this entire, and for this one we are going to get this function, right. So what is it? Minus 1 by 3 into tan inverse x plus 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x by 2, and at the end just add the constant c. Okay. So you are going to get that function. Fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.